Hi and welcome back to Buggy's Boxes, the show where we open boxes. Today's contestant is Lootcrate, August 2017. So let's open that up. Let's see, to start with we have a Lord of the Rings color change glass. So that's kind of cool. We like that. Then we have Adventure Time. Adult collectible, not a toy. Adventure Time, The Nice King and Gunter. Seems to have penguins on it. I like penguins. I'm not sure what that is. I'm not sure I'm not going to open it right now. Then we have our t-shirt. From Legend of Zelda. Cool. We'll wear that. Oh hey, it looks like the person. It looks like Link. Cool. We have our pin, as always. Looks like a pig, 2 axes, and the Loot Crate symbol. So that's not for you. And finally, we have a Lord of the Rings poster. So that's it for this week. Hope you tune in next week. We should have a Geek Fuel for you. Hope you enjoyed this episode of Buggy's Boxes.